can do, we want to learn a lot. No. Mana senior? Oh, भाई मैं senior एक भी तो नहीं है थी। माना का नाम है।
काम में तो आ सकते कभी नियर टू मैसूर पैलेस।
आप शिकागो में भी आओ। हम शिकागो में हैं। और एक यूनिवर्सिटी
एम्प्लॉयमेंट शिकागो।
Oh yeah, that's good.
ये तो सबको मालूम है गोपीनाथ
So it is because of Gopinath organization.
you know senior गोपीनाथ
She's so beautiful. She looks like mommy or daddy.
We have assembled. Actually, there are two batches, 150 20 batch. We are 220 classmates. Out of the classmates, I ask everyone to please stand up. There are about 14 wickets down. Please get up and pay. Morning. 1 minute silence, please. Please, everyone get up, please. Second year, he was while coming from Nizamabad, he met an accident in second year, he died. Second wicket is Dr. Nandkishore Singh. In final year, he developed pulmonary tuberculosis, he died. Next, Y. Malleshwar Rao, he was a ENT surgeon, associate professor while coming from Warangal at Bongir in 93. I head on collision accident, 4 doctors died. In that, Dr. Malleshwar Rao also gone. Next, Dr. G. Anantrao, brothers, Chandrasekhar and Anantrao with myocardial infarction, massive, he is gone now. Next is Dr. N. Shamrao. He developed with fluorosis and with not only rheumatoid, he had knee replacements, he had all the surgeries and fluorosis and depression. He committed suicide. Developed glioma brain. During surgery, he died in Bangalore. And next is Dr. H. Saruprani. She was assistant professor of community medicine. She was in Iran. She developed multiple myeloma. She is no more. Then Dr. Y. Rajendra, he developed massive myocardial infarction, orthopedic surgeon. Why? Tarvata, Dr. J. Manohar from 70 batch, he died 2 years back. And C.R. Manohar, Guru Manohar with MI died. Then Kamala with malignancy, she is no more. And Dr. Narsingh Das from BSc batch, cause was not known. Pradeep Rao MI. Thank
is our batch 110. Actually, there is a little correction. Our batch is 110 batch is 110, not 150. 110 batch is in November to 1972, and the second 70 batch is added, that is into 73. And 14 people we lost. 14 people. Latest is Dr. Pradeep. So he did. So.
Dr. Gopinath, how about Dr. Nandkishore?
He did. Separate. Aja, friends, as a condolence, we just pay condolences to these departed friends, and for 1 minute we'll just start silent. Okay. Many of the friends actually, when I contacted, around 55 people responded that they are all coming, and some of them they expressed that they are coming alone, and some of them they expressed that they come with their spouses. We are happy to call you all here, and it is so accidentally happened on 22nd. It is during the marriage of Saxena's, both Saxena's son and daughter. I happened to just accidentally meet them. And Joshi and Narayan Reddy. This one is missing always. So, and Dayakar and all those people. Actually, initially we fixed it 26th, and some of our Syed Mohammed and Irfan and these people, they just landed in India. So to accommodate, we just postponed it. That's also nice for it, because we had little more time to contact many other people. Except 1 or 2 people, I could not make a contact, and to see you all with bright faces and see what not, charming faces, and still, actually, whenever I come to Usmania, I feel like going around the college and come back. So this is what our attachment with Usmania. And we're all, Bhavani did not make much efforts to call her friends probably. Only 2 people only came. Now, they are coming now? Sure, Ostanar, okay. We as the sons and daughters of Usmania, and almost many of us probably crossed 60. I don't know who is younger than 60. Anybody?
Nobody.
Ishwar. Birth certificate को check करना इन लोगों का. Birth certificate को check करना. So at 60 years, 39, 40 years, immediately after 79, now surgery is over. Many of the people they left, and some of us could meet people who did their post-graduation in Usmania or Gandhi or something. We met, and on some other occasions we met somebody.
Alumni, our batch alumni we met.
Alumni we met some people, and not all the people. I thought this is my privilege to call you all together here, and I shall be thankful to Joshi and Satyendra to include my name into Hasmat's first. Our agenda is, after of course our condolences is over. Now we start with the introduction of our present stand, where we are, what we are doing, how many children we are in years, or wherever you are. Please write down your numbers and also contact number, emails, and your professional, your faculty, like different subjects. Suppose biodata, in a sense. Not exactly, you don't have to feed the wrong data to apply for job. So, pardon?
Not like that.
So, and my appeal to all of you is, we'll enjoy today. It is, as long as you can stay in this hall, I booked this hall, as long as you can till the date is turned off, till tomorrow. There's not, we shall be able to meet here. Not in this place, but quarterly. Whoever comes from UK or US or abroad, and they will be coming. And people around in, say, Andhra Pradesh or Telangana or nearby states, we shall be able to make. See that fellow, Jayan Rao, he came from Mysore. When I requested him to come, he came from Mysore by taking flight. And there is another guy, this actually, he is the reason for reponing this program. Actually, we wanted to fix up. He is something like looking like an actor now.
Mogambo Kushwa. Mogambo Kushwa. Came from shooting.
Yeah, we already lost 14 of our friends. We do not know next year. So, because to tell you the truth, because I am a cardiologist, I tell you, Indian origin itself has got, compared to the body size, body mass index, it is equal. And there is something wrong. Please come in. Dr. Prabhavati, welcome. Shams, please come. Prabhavati, I remember. Pushikam. So this is the situation. From abroad, we can talk to them, and also we can meet them. We change our experiences. Let us be happy. After 60, nothing to earn. Wait a second. College. And when I wrote entrance in Usmania, I thought at least I stepped into this a big building. That's what I thought. That's satisfied. So friends, I did my cardiology. I did. Hi, Narayan Reddy is a latecomer. I don't know whether to mention these two things or not. I was suspended from central government job. I don't know. From Delhi, I was suspended there. Then I landed in Trivandrum. I did my DM. Then I was in Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences as assistant professor in cardiology. But due to some reasons, the only one reason is the police were afraid of me at the time, I believe. That's what reported by the director. So why the police should be afraid of me? So I quit that job. And I was here for 4 years in corporate sector. I thought it may not be suitable to me. I went to my place. I started my practice in Khammam. I was the first cardiologist in Khammam district. So my daughter, she is my daughter. She did her MBBS in Osmania, and now she is in first year OBG in Mamata Medical College. And my wife is there. She is a Dr. Radha. She is a doctorate in political science. She just recently retired. Okay. Next.
Family, my grandfather, great grandfather was Pingali Venkaya. National flag was. I wanted to support my parents, so I joined central government health scheme. I went to Bombay, 4 years I was there. Then from there I moved to Jipmar. I was there a senior resident for some time. After that I joined the MS in general surgery in Madras. And then I was trained in cardiothoracic surgery by the 3 doyens of the Indian cardiac surgery, both K.M. Cherian, Dr. Girnath and Dr. Venugopal from All India Institute. And I spent some time in Apollo, Chennai with Dr. Girnath. Now it is about 24 years of cardiac surgery. I've done about 15,000 open heart surgeries. And I have some firsts, I should not know if I mentioned. I have some firsts in the world. I've done my first endoscopic cardiac surgery in the world. I did some left ventricular restorations which we modified, and it is now written in the books as Vijaya Heart Foundation modification of the left ventricular dot procedure, which is done by Dr. Vincent Dodd. I did some robotic work. I did the first world's double valve replacement by robotic assisted cardiac surgery. So some of the Indian government has given me some awards, and Tamil Nadu government has given me some awards which are not so mentionable. So I have 2 sons and 1 daughter. My wife is a Tamilian, and my eldest son, because of his achievements, he was given a professorship in Stanford. He stayed there for 2 years. Then he came back to Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, as professor of mathematics. My second son is in Toronto. He is finished his engineering, and he's doing his MBA in marketing, research and analysis. My daughter, my darling of the family, is just 12th class. She's giving her examination.
I did ophthalmology DO from Sarojini Devi Hospital. I am in the private practice at Hyderabad only from the beginning. Our first son is he has completed hematology at UK. He is working as a consultant. And the first daughter, she is an engineer. She is working at New York. Second daughter, she recently completed internal medicine at Alabama, Hansville, and she is going to join Imam College.
अरे भाई ये भी पहना बहुत बेटा वाला सर एक बार
he is my very close and remote, who is Dr. Gopinath. And I have completed my post-graduation from Nilupur Hospital and worked in primary health center also, and then promoted as a civil surgeon and medical superintendent of area hospital Pune. There I worked for 10 years. Then retired, now working as assistant professor in Bhaskar Medical College as a pediatrician. I have 4 children.
Very good. Very good. मुबारक मुबारक నలుగురు ఆదర్శులు ఉన్నారు నీకు నలుగురే
all are from Usmania Medical College. First son completed Usmania Medical College, then applied for USMLE, got 273 marks and selected in Florida State, Miami University as a general surgeon. MS general surgery. Now he has completed second year and now he is in final year. MS general surgery. Miami MBBS from Usmania Medical College. Now she is also preparing for USMLE. Third, daughter, government dental hospital, Amsterdam completed, then got seat MDS prosthodontist. Okay. Now, son, he has completed his BTech from Srinivas College and stood distinction. And he appeared for CAT exam. He selected for IIM Kozhikode, Calicut, Kerala. Okay. This is my introduction.
Wow.
Beauty competition. First prize in Usmania Medical College.
Good.
6 feet height, white color. He looks like Shobhan Babu. Sadguna.
వీడి గురించి ఒకటి చెప్తారా లేదా? హార్మోనియం చేస్తాను
ప్లాన్ చేస్తే నేను హార్మోనియం చేస్తుంటే అని చెప్పిన కానీ హార్మోనియం చేస్తానే అన్నా కానీ
కుదరలేదు. వీడు హైదరాబాద్ ఎట్లా చదువుతారు సార్ మీకు? బైసల్ నుంచి వాళ్ళ ఊరు వెళ్ళా నేను ఒకసారి బోత్ బైసల్ దగ్గర. వీడు పంచకట్టుకొని వచ్చాడు. పంచకట్టుకొని రాలని చెప్పాను ఈరోజు.
Finishing my MBBS from Usmania Medical College, I applied for UPSC services. I got selected in Central Health Services, and I was there. And then I joined MD in psychiatry. I did it from Institute of Mental Health, Hyderabad, and Usmania Medical College. And then I continued to serve in Central Health Services as Chief Medical Officer and consultant in psychiatry, and I retired in 2012. Then after that I joined in medical college. Now I am HOD at what is that? Maheshwara Medical College. Okay. So I proved myself that I am in psychiatry. Okay. Because I do lot of psychotherapies, then we'll be somewhere. Okay? So, I got 2 children. He works in one of the MNC companies in Hyderabad, and he loves to stay with me. He continues to stay with me. We are in one house. Yeah. So, that's a very rare opportunity, and I am fortunate that he is staying with me, and he promised. From the beginning. So from the beginning, whenever he was into intermediate, he said that, Nana, I will stay with you. I will not go anywhere. I will not leave the country. That was promise, and he kept the promise. And my daughter-in-law, she works in LIC as a development officer, and I got small kid for them. So yeah, they have seen. I used to post in this thing. She is Vaishnavi. She is 6-year-old granddaughter. Yeah. Then I have got one daughter. She completed her masters in architecture from JNTU, and my son-in-law is also an architect. Both practice privately in Begumpet. So they are having good practice. And my wife is housewife, and nothing more to add.
Two batches are there, some completed, then they mixed everything. Now they are one batch. I completed Usmania, then after central government. There is a Dr. Rambanaya Hospital at present, previously Delhi Hospital. I joined in DCH, Delhi University. Delhi. And then Delhi, I don't know, they are not joined in the BPC, they left and joined in engineering services. Both are engineers from IIT, and now youngest is at Chennai, IIT Chennai. Both are engineers, mechanical engineers, civil engineers. Now the students complete.
Your service, you joined government service. Services
My services are so many, I don't tell any.
There are how many services? Come on, merit.
Okay, I joined in government. And our command for Dr. Vijay Kumar, he knows most of things. Admitted to MLA and they are suspended. Current page. Then immediately I come here and
He joined MD hospital Indians.
I suspended 3-4 times by different issue. I admitted to collector and DMHO and MLA. 3 people admitted, 3 times I suspended. Again reinstated. I am successful. And then MD hospital is for NIMS.
Other than medicine, what you have done? What are your medicine programs? What are your degrees?
Most of the I done all 3 MBBS. I done MD hospitals. I done 3 MBS. MBA, HRD, marketing called quality control. Quality control from BITS Pilani. And MBA from Usmania, another MBA from IGNOU University, Indira Gandhi. Then all, I have 6 diplomas. All diplomas is available in India. I done everything. Still I am a student of Lead University. I am doing PhD Health Economics compared to India and UK. Okay, I am a still student. And my wife both are worked this gynecologist. My mother told to my wife, this will be a politician always going and waiting there, better to take Andhra. I belong to Karma district. Nagendra also from emotional people are there in Karma district. Then I don't know the secret with my mother and my wife. Then I transferred to Gandhi Hospital. She never came 3 months. At that time, Korea Rangarao there. Then I transferred to Andhra. I worked more than 10 years. There's been 2 daughters, okay, we worked for more than 10 years. I construct house at Kakinada. I'm telling now, I have house all districts. Each district I have house. That is after retirement, government, I worked in Nellore 10 years more than Narayana. The best institute Narayana. We developed, we started with 0 in 2000 and we succeeded from 250 in private sector, 260 intake, the first private medical college in Andhra. We succeeded. I started MBBS course, MD, super specialty. Then meanwhile I met your Swamiji at Karnataka. He told, I have constructed an hospital. I went there in Mysore. We constructed 2,000 bed hospital, 450 crores. It's a big, anybody coming Mysore, you can see our hospital just like a palace. What is that hospital? Palace, Mysore Palace, only 1 kilometer, and you can enjoy with Vrindavan garden also. All are welcome. Because you can come and see. Next meeting there only. I am a professor. I have done all the posts. I am medical superintendent to director, all posts. At project I am in charge for our hospital administration. I am a professor, HOD, hospital administration. We have 6 students at present. In Narayana, I started 6. In India, first medical college, you started with 6 students in hospital. Even though All India Institute, I have 4 students. I am in government, district, Nellore, I have 6 students. Everybody came in All India Institute, Chandigarh, Pondicherry. They visited my chamber. I am just like a cabinet minister. That chamber. Then I have to say that they given 6 seats for hospital administration. In India, first college, hospital administration, 6 seats.
Are you suspended at Guwahati, Mysore?
No, the Swamiji won't suspend anybody, they are working. They are doing service. That is my whereas reading. Patient listening, I am sorry for little time. Okay? Anybody welcome to Mysore? Thank you very much.
My name is Asiridi. I am working for Lions Hospital, Lions Eye Hospital, Mahbub Nagar. I have done more than 75,000 cataract operations. Now I am as well as working for DSD Medical College as a tutor there. I have done DO and as well as DD from Usmania Medical College. One thing I want to tell in this regard, when I went for counseling for Vijayawada, he asked me which subject you want. I want Usmania Medical College. I don't want subject. I want to read, I want to study in Usmania Medical College. Then I...
All of you know, just I am reminding on this occasion. After completion is MBBS, first he got seat in MS Ophthalmology. First time. He worked there for 1 week or 10 days. He left that, he went to Nizamabad. During his third entrance, he got 10th rank in entrance. He was getting all the seats, including MD Pediatrics, General Medicine, Surgery. But surprising to all, again he took the MS Ophthalmology. That was so surprising and shocking to all the people.
In other words, he wasted 2 years' time. Unnecessary.
Yes. No, another specialty is he was doing his general practice at Nizamabad. He was not attached with any coaching center or any friends here, or he was not going to any library. With his small reading only, he got 10th rank. It is really great.
तू कौन है बुलाने वाला? तू क्या है बुलाने वाला? 70 batch Usmania. Good evening everybody. After MBBS I did my MD radiotherapy. Kushit was my senior. And then I continued with MD radiotherapy. Then I joined at MNJ as assistant professor. There I got promoted as associate and HOD and director and got retired 2 years back. My entire career was at MNJ Cancer Hospital for 35 years, 1980. I was there as a postgraduate, then as assistant professor, associate professor, professor, HOD, director and retired. Now I am practicing in India. I have 1 wife and 2 children. Both my kids are in US. Joshi,
Somebody has 2-3 wives.
both my kids are
He knows that. He knows that.
open
Counter after introduction.
Right, that's all.
क्या
बच्चे क्या करते बोलते क्या?
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Syed Mohammed, and after my graduation from Usmania, I practiced for 1 year in the old city of Malapet. And after that, I went to Iran. I was in Iran for almost 10 years, from 1980 to 1990. Then I went to US and I did my residency in a combined program of internal medicine and pediatrics. And Flint, Michigan. Flint is a small town, 60 miles north of Detroit, Michigan, USA. And after that, I joined the same hospital. I worked for the hospital, both in the Department of Medicine and Pediatrics for almost 10 years. Then I started my own private practice. So I'm in a group practice now, practicing both internal medicine and pediatrics. I got married in 1986. My wife is here. She's a daughter of retired professor of pediatrics, Dr. nice, very cooperative, very loving, very caring. I've got 2 sons. Yeah, I got 2 sons.
Sorry, I did not start with my wife. Actually, you please come with your wife.
I have 2 sons. Madam, from Caribbean, and right now he's preparing for his US MBA and residency. And the younger one just finished the college and is applying for dentistry. That's all for now. When I entered into this hall, somebody asked me, कैसे हो? कुछ बताओ कैसे हो? मोहम्मद भाई कैसे हो? तो हमने हंसकर कहा गाँव में और हम मजे में। किसी ने हमसे पूछा मोहम्मद भाई कैसे हो? हमने हंसकर कहा जिंदगी में दर्द में गम है, गम में मजा है, मजे में
Good evening, everybody. के साथ जर्नी शुरू हुई थी. Then I did UPSC, some of us, and I was picked up for IRS, I mean Railway Service, and I did for 1.5 years at Northern Karnataka place. I was pleasantly surprised that everybody spoke Telugu, so I had no problem with dealing with Kannada. So I'm pediatrics and presently practicing my own practice. Last 4 years with them. I have 2 sons and a daughter. My oldest son is doing a congestive heart failure fellowship at Harvard. My younger son did a residency in radiology at University of Maryland. Then he did his fellowship in interventional radiology at Northwestern. He's presently practicing not only his interventional radiology, but he's practicing parenthood. We have a grandson, a granddaughter from him. So, and my youngest one is star of our eyes, my daughter. She did international affairs from George Washington University, and then post-graduation at Johns Hopkins on international affairs. She is and she was in love with India. He had been through a lot of illness, but mashallah, she has come out very good, and she has helped in raising his kids.
బయట అంతే హాస్పిటల్ సస్పెక్షన్ ఒక ఫోటో తీయండి భయ్ రాదా సుకన్య ఈజ్ లేట్ ఉన్నది అయ్యి బాబా మేమందరం ఒక చోట ఉంటాం ఎవరు ఓకే
After studies, we worked in Algeria for about 6 years. From there, we had gone to France. I did my pediatrics there and radiology there. We were there for 5 years. We came back to India. We worked in CVR for about 6 years. pediatrics. We are blessed with one son who lived in US. Kanya, Mr. Prasad Rao. We are married for 37 years. He was representing in NTPC. I also worked for 10 years in NTPC, but I resigned because of frequent transfers. And I have 2 children. Now they are grown up. One son and one daughter. Both are married. And the son has a little daughter. My granddaughter's name is Akriti. She's 8 months old. We are totally enjoying that grandparents' life. Very happy and totally retired life and passing with my grandchild.
Supposed to come, but she could not. So my daughter is here, Ravadi. After passing from medical college, I joined leprosy research, and I worked in leprosy for 25 years, and then published few papers and wrote few chapters, and then I did cosmetology and also diploma in family medicine. Right now I am practicing in Mehndipatnam. I have 3 daughters. My eldest daughter is married and I have a granddaughter. They are staying in my second daughter is working in Ernst & Young.
I'm doing my MBA first year right now. I'm also a professional photographer. So, because my dad supports me so much that I'm over here. So I'm also a guitarist and I'm a dancer. So a lot of cultural activities.
Placed dinner.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay. Okay. Suresh, I know you came late. That's why he's assuring. Next, Leela. Dr. Leela.
After medical school, I went to USA, did my residency in psychiatry, did a fellowship in brain imaging, and right now I'm practicing as an outpatient. California. My husband is a computer science engineer, and he works at Cisco. I have 2 children. Son did a PhD in computational neuroscience from Princeton. And daughter did MSW from Columbia University. Both are working. They're not married yet, no grandchildren.
Both my father and my mother. That is what I remember of them now. Though my mother was a very orthodox lady, but she never stopped me from studying. That was one thing which I have realized very late. And then after the MBBS, in the second PG entrance itself, I have selected biochemistry. The reason was no night duties, because my in-laws was quite an orthodox family. So that is why I have taken up, sure. So I did my MD biochemistry, and then after that, by the APPSC selection, I was posted as assistant professor, then associate, then professor, then HOD. I retired as HOD from Usmania. I worked in Usmania, Gandhi, Chest Hospital, Fever Hospital, mostly in Hyderabad only. Only for 1 year I was at Warangal. Then I retired in 2012. After that I was at Apollo Medical College for 1.5 years. And now I am at Mallareddy Institute of Medical Sciences. And I'm blessed with 2 sons. My son Avinash Modi, right now he's in state Seattle. He has completed from BITS Pilani, and then he has done from Kellogg's University, USA MBA. He's with Microsoft. And my daughter is also working in Microsoft. Both are from BITS Pilani. My second son, he's right now with Microsoft, but he's based in Hyderabad. And and then for 2 projects he has gone to the States and he came back. And I have my grandchildren. The eldest grandson is 8 years old, Shashank, and then my second son, Vihan, is 4 years, and then Ananya, third.
I know, because you are senior and junior in the getting about and I have done my MD microbiology. After that I have joined as an assistant professor. Then I have went up to HOD of Osmania Medical College microbiology. Presently I am working at Dr. B.R.K. professor at HOD.
I think on the very first day that we joined college. सबको मालूम है, सब लोग देखते थे. The best thing is that she once told me, well, you know why you after me? I will search for the next girl for you. So I was like, maybe I don't want anybody else. So that was our plan. And I joined the railways immediately after leaving college. Worked there for 17 years. Yeah. So then I joined psychiatry. Then service practicing since then. I am part of Pasha Hospital. We have 2 kids. She's got a breast cancer here, and a son who's in the US. We have 2 lovely granddaughters. And
One name. I'm Remila Saxena. Short I'm a Ganya. Then I did my senior hospitalship under Dr. Hendra Rangachari from Putangala Hospital. And then I have joined the private practice at Tirupura area. I've got 2 kids. The daughter is Dr. Pritha Khatul. She is now HOD Physiology at Avis Medical College. And my son did his 11th.
Madam, इधर देखो मैडम, इधर देखो. माइक बंद हो गया. I'm Khurshid Ahmed. This is my wife Razia Ahmed. So after finishing my MBBS, I did 3 years of radiation oncology, radiation therapy at MNJ Hospital. Then I moved to USA and I did residency in internal medicine. So I'm practicing in Chicago, Illinois for last almost 20 years in internal medicine. So I'm affiliated with 2 hospitals. And then we moved to USA. When I joined as assistant professor in Kalatya, for 20 years I worked there. And even I worked there as superintendent of chest hospital. For the reason of long standing, I was transferred to Gandhi Medical College in HYD. And every chest hospital I worked as from Gandhi. I retired in 2012. Then now I settled in Karimnagar. I have 2 children. Son is a physician in USA. He is in internal medicine from Brown University. Now he is working in Oklahoma State. And my daughter, she did her dentistry from Brown University. And now she is practicing in Missouri State. So now I am residing at Karimnagar, but presently working at HOD in Malari Medical College.
After completing my MBBS, I joined forensic medicine in Gandhi Medical College. After completing that, I have joined in Deccan Medical College as assistant professor. Then I have entered in government service and I have worked at KMC Warangal as assistant professor, associate professor and professor and HOD. And I have retired from KMC Warangal in 2010. Then immediately after that I have joined Chalmeda Anandarao Medical College in Karimnagar. And still I am working as Professor HOD KIMS, Karimnagar. I got three children, one son, two daughters. They have done M.Tech and
Completed MDS and his wife is completed MBBS. Now they are waiting for to settle in a medical field. Thank you.
From 70 batch. I finished my MBBS and then got married. I had 2 children. My son had a problem, so I couldn't do my PG for receiving the entrance for 4 years. Then I joined a nursing home for some time. Then after that I worked as a owner of the same nursing home for another few years. Then I went to Makkah as a senior postdoc there, and then came back and I'm working in central government institutes as a medical officer there. Since then, I have 2 children. My daughter is working in New York as an assistant professor. She has done her MA and PhD in Pittsburgh, and now she's working as an assistant professor in mass communication with 2 grandchildren.
And I am an agricultural graduate, a postgraduate in horticulture, and a PhD in the same subject from IRI New Delhi, and then subsequently did an MBA. And I was a professor, assistant professor, associate professor for seed spices in Ajmer. And as she said, we have 2 children. The elder is a daughter, and she is an assistant professor of communication in the tenure track in Manhattan College in New York. She is single and still looking, we hope, that she will find but soon. And the younger child is a son who, as Nusrat said, works in Genpact and Shu Chao in Shanghai in China. So, and they have 2 children. The elder is a daughter, Mariam, and the younger is a son, Mustafa. Mustafa has just turned 2. Mustafa has just turned 2, and Mariam has turned 4. And my son and his wife and children live with us. And of course, my daughter Arshia lives in New York. Hopefully this summer, we might go and see her, if my wife agrees, that is. नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। उन्होंने बोले तो मेरी आवाज निकल रही है। उनकी इजाजत से सब बोल रहा हूँ मैं। आप लोग क्या समझ रहे? Thank you very much. Should pass on the baton to the next person.